2021 Toyota Camry 2.5 liter. I'm doing the air filter and the cabin filter. So air filter, you want to come over here with your hood popped and push these little spring clips off. You just push them backwards, and then there's a little wire harness. There's a little tab in the middle of this little thing. You slide it up and then just slide this right off. It should be like pretty easy. It should slide just like butter. You shouldn't have to like force it or nothing. Just lift that little tab up and then slide it off. Now there's little tabs on the side right here. So when you lift this up, you want to lift this side up first and then just pull it out towards the front of the vehicle. Now at this point you could grab the filter and slide it out if you want, but you could do it like that. But also, if you want more room, you could disconnect this MAF sensor. Just make sure the key is out of the vehicle and the vehicle's off. Just push the little button tab and pull this off, and then that'll give you a lot more room to just make sure you plug that back in, because a lot of people leave it off and then they get a check engine light and the car runs terrible. Here's the part number. This is the OEM part number for the Toyota air filter. I got an aftermarket one. I'll put links in the description for the filter on Amazon. So anyways, you're going to slide this back in. It pretty much only goes one way. It's kind of like a rectangle. Once you get it in, make sure the wire harness is out of the way, and then put these tabs in first. You kind of got to push it down and then into those little slots. And then these shouldn't be too hard to clip back on. So do what you got to do to get it lined up, and then you could put these on, and they just push on like that, and that's how they lock into place, just like that. And once that's on, we're going to put our harness back on. Just slide this guy right back on like that. Easy peasy. Same for this one right here. Just slide it right on. It'll lock into place. And then if you did disconnect your MAF sensor, make sure you plug it in and it's nice and tight. And that's how you do your air filter. Now let's go ahead and move on to the cabin filter. Again, this is a 2.5 engine. So inside, oh, it's a SE too. The model's SE. Open this. This is for the cabin filter. There's a little door right here you open up by pushing that tab, and then you just move it forward and you can pull this out. There's the access door to the cabin filter. So how you want to do this is you want to squeeze these little tabs. The smaller fingers you got, the better. Squeeze these tabs on the right, and then just pull it out, and then you could just slide it out the other side like that. Set this aside, and now there's a little tray in here, a black tray. Slide this out. There's a little thing that says up with an arrow. I'll tell you about that in a sec. So let's go ahead and slide this tray out like this, and then you're going to take the cabin filter out of there and put your new one in. Here it is. Now my new one has an arrow and it says airflow, but it says down. So the airflow goes down in this. That blower motor sucks air down. So you're going to put this cabin filter in downwards with the arrow pointing down. But if there was just one arrow that was pointing up, you would match it up with the tray arrow on the front. I know it's confusing. It's just how it is. Okay, so slide this in here. You want to push that in. Now sometimes that won't go in all the way, or it'll go in like kind of crooked, and you won't be able to put the access door back on. So just, if it is, just take it out, slide it in, take it out, slide it in. Just do what you got to do to make it lined up correctly. So what you want to do here is slide the left side tabs in first, and then you should just be able to easily push that right over. It shouldn't be a problem. You'll have to like kind of adjust something if you're having issues. This same thing, left side goes in first, put the tabs in, push that over, it'll lock into place, and that's it. That's how you do your cabin filter. Now real quick, if you're doing wipers, I got the sizes for you. It's a 26 and a 20 inches for the wipers. That's driver and passenger side. Also, here's the oil filter. This is the part number. This is the OEM part number for oil filter if you wanted to get a Toyota one. And it takes 0W16. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Check the description. Thanks.